方老师教汉字，学中文，长知识。
Today we are going to talk about how to use Quizlet. Here's the Quizlet link, and once you click the link, you will see this Quizlet for the lesson 4. And then the Quizlet have flashcards, learn section, text, match, and a Q chat. So in the flashcards, and once you click in, and you will see this 日 Sunday, and you click the cards to flip it. You will see the 汉字 Chinese characters 日 like this. And you move into next 月 moon month. You flip the card. That's 汉字月. And you can zoom your page and make sure it's clear for you. And then goes to next. 1. Click. That shows the 汉字一 like this. Okay, once you're done with the flashcards, let's move back to the home page. And then we can go to the Learn section. Click the Learn section. It will ask you, what's your goal? Okay, we will memorize it all. Let's continue. And it's all new to me. Click this and continue. Okay, so there's like a combination. That's the combination of those. They give you the 拼音 英文. 英文 means English. 拼音 means the letters. You can see how to pronounce. And you're going to choose the 汉字 Chinese characters. See which one is correct. So 日, I'm going to click this. Yeah. And 月 moon month. It's 月. And you keep going to do this way. 一 2 3 4 1月 Okay, give me the round 2. No. Dismiss. I don't want to do the round 1 or 2. So this is like a multiple choices questions. And then if you move to this options, click the options, you will see that's the multiple choice options. Now we're gonna do the right mode. And also there's a spell mode. So let's start with the right mode. Here, you see the 拼音 and 英文 English. You're gonna type. You can click this. So 1月 that works. Then we can practice the 汉字 to match the 拼音. You click answer. So here 3月3日 3月3日 click answer. Okay, 2月2日 let's do a round one. Let's see. 2月 like 3日 and click. I mean study this one. It gives us the correct answer. It means this one is not correct. And then let's continue. We want to try learn typing at the same time. So you can add Chinese input keyboard on your computer. So what do? You can go to find like how to add Chinese input keyboard. So that's for the Windows, this one. If you have Apple, there's Apple support to add Chinese. See, I already have the Chinese input, so I can type. So that's English. I switch. 3月1日。3月1日 then answer correct. 明 Okay, so that's the right section, right mode. Move back to see how's the spell section looks like. So here the spell mode, spell mode. You're gonna type what you hear. Let's see.
2月
2月. So that's even harder than the right mode. So you have to understand what they said, and also you need to know how to type the P 2月. And then there's no answer. Just click return.
明
明
3月3月3日
3月3日
明日
明日
4月
4月
3
3. On the spell section, you also can see your progress and how much you did right. Okay, match section. Let's go back. Okay, here's the match section. Ready to play? Yes. So you see all those, you're gonna match the 汉字 and 英文拼音 together like this. 3月 March 3月. So I'm gonna click 3月 and click March. They're gone. 1月1日 1月1日 got 3月3日 disappeared. 月 moon month 4月1日 done. 4月2日 yay. So we finished this game. And there's also a test section. Okay, you can set up your test. You can choose to do what kind of like a way. We can also turn on the true and false and start test. And also written, probably depends on what you want to try. Answer with, we're learning, yeah, Chinese simple. No. 1月 true. 1月1日 false. 3月 true. 4月 true. Okay, those. So that's the true and false, and then are the multiple choices. 4 multiple choices. Continue. And so I'm gonna type the answer. 1月4日 and I can do next. Okay, that's the test. This Quizlet also have a Q chat. So I think that's funny. So I was asked, what's the Mandarin word for January 4th? Let's see, give me a hint. The word consists the Mandarin words with the 1 month and the 4th day. Okay, I'm going to tap here. 1月4日 They say, great job, that's correct. What's the Mandarin word for April 2nd? 4月 Let's make a wrong answer. See what's this AI respond. 4月4日 Close, but not quite. I think this is funny. Okay, hope you enjoy this Quizlet tool to practice your vocabulary. And I also, during the class time, I also use this Classic Live. So my students can be divided into a couple of groups and they work together and they can practice at the same time. Do you have it? No, I don't. Who have it? It's your turn. So some conversation in Mandarin. It's also fun to hear that. Okay, so that's the Quizlet introductions.
谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。谢谢你的观看，下节课再见。